Now focusing again on the Yamuna water war that's playing out in Delhi, a BJP delegation has met with Election Commission officials. You had top leaders of the BJP there, including Union Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. The BJP has in fact accused Kejriwal of playing dangerous politics and that he is attacking essentially the federal structure of the country by alleging that one state is actually intending to poison the people of another state. Let's bring in Amit Bharadwaj, who's joining us live with more details. So on that, Amit, you had a delegation of BJP leaders meeting with the Election Commission. Before this, you had the AAP delegation also meeting with the Election Commission. Take us through what each side is saying.
Well, Akshata, let's bring in the first breaking news on this mega war over Yamuna water. A Yamuna ammonia water war between the BJP and Aam Aadmi Party has just exploded. Nirmala Sitharaman, after meeting the Election Commission of India, the three commissioners of ECI, has made a mega claim. The Bharatiya Janata Party, in its petition with the Election Commission of India, has urged that Arvind Kejriwal should be prevented from campaigning in the national capital any further. So that is a big breaking at this moment. BJP, in its submission to the Election Commission of India, has appealed the ECI that Aam Aadmi Party chief and the former Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, should not be allowed to campaign any further in the national capital in Delhi election. And they have said that an exemplary action needs to be taken by the ECI for making such claims, the claims that Arvind Kejriwal had made in the past 24 hours. Now, what BJP has also done essentially, this particular delegation, which included Bhupendra Yadav, Union Minister, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, Haryana Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini, and Delhi BJP Chief Virendra Sachdeva, they have submitted the copy of speech, the video of the speech of Arvind Kejriwal, and they have said that this is anarchist behavior, this is dangerous politics. And Akshata, they have also said that the insult to Naib Singh Saini is insult to the voters of Haryana. So BJP...
So let's just talk about really how the Haryana government is responding to this. Amit, stay with me. I want to bring in now Aman from Chandigarh, who's getting us the latest updates from Haryana, where also you have the Haryana Chief Minister Aman saying that he will now sue Arvind Kejriwal for what's happened, for his allegation that there's an attempt of mass genocide on the people of Delhi by the Haryana government.
Exactly, and today also at around 12 in the noon, the MLAs and ministers of Haryana, they agitated in Panchkula, where they burned the effigy of Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party. They said the allegation that Arvind Kejriwal has placed is totally baseless and there is no fact in it. There are officers, there are reports that there should be samples that should be taken from the water in Haryana and water that is in Delhi of the same river Yamuna. So that will bring out the reality. And in fact, leaders that came from that come from Faridabad constituency, Vipul Goyal, that's minister in Haryana, alleged that his area, his constituency is majorly affected with the water that comes from Delhi. And so Arvind Kejriwal should be sued under the defamation case, and also
so let's see really how this plays out. But we've told you what the BJP has had to say on this issue. Amit, thanks very much for those details. We've shown you what the BJP has had to say. Here's what the Aam Aadmi Party's allegation is. And remember, the two chief ministers, the Delhi Chief Minister Atishi and the Punjab CM Bhagwat Singh Mann, together met with the EC earlier today. Listen to what they have to say.
यमुना में पानी जो हरियाणा से आ रहा है उसमें अमोनिया का लेवल जहरीले लेवल तक पहुंच गया है। दिल्ली के वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट 1 ppm 2 ppm तक अमोनिया को ट्रीट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन पिछले कुछ दिनों से लगातार जो अमोनिया का स्तर है 4, 5, 6, 7 ppm तक पहुंच गया है। हमने इलेक्शन कमीशन से यह आग्रह किया है कि अगर इसी तरह जहरीला पानी आता रहा तो हमारे कई वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट्स बिल्कुल बंद हो जाएंगे। 30% दिल्ली को पानी नहीं मिलेगा। दिलाया है कि दिल्ली के लोगों के हित में जो डिसीजन होगा, इलेक्शन कमीशन हरियाणा का पक्ष सुनने के बाद वो डिसीजन लेगी।